Alright. What's up, guys? It's been a while. Um, I don't know why I haven't streamed. I've kind of just been doing other college stuff, a lot of basketball and stuff. I am recording currently. Probably should record this part. I'm actually recording a week in my life. So, this is Wednesday's thing. I'm streaming right now. I've been like recording little snippets. It'll be like a quick video of like what I do in a week, kind of. I thought it'd be a cool idea. But yeah, I'll be doing that. As of what I'm going to be doing today, I think I'm just going to keep run through the Django app thing that I did like 2 weeks ago. I don't really have another idea of what I wanted to do, but I kind of just wanted to stream. You know, try to get back on the horse. I do really like. I want to go back and to make an NU Food native app. Like okay, here's what I'm like kind of battling. I really want to make this like, or I want the mobile app to exist, but I don't really want to make it. Which is like, you know, maybe not the best, but it is what it is. I think at some point, either this summer, or I just gotta lock in and do it now. I should make that before next year, for sure. Because I think that's a larger bottleneck, is like people just don't want to go to like a website. They want an app. Which means I probably should just do it. But it's also, I don't want to be doing mobile dev, and I don't want to really be doing web dev stuff as like a job post-grad, which like obviously I'm a sophomore. I have 2 more years. But I don't know. Kind of just talking to myself now. But we'll get through that. As of now, I do have to prep for the summer though. So I'm going to do a little work on this Django thing. And then I don't know. I might use Cursor for the mobile dev and see how far that can get me. Because I know I get free cursors because I'm a student. I haven't been using it, but I know I have it. So I might look into that. Alright. So this tutorial begins where tutorial 4 left off. Built a web pull application. I just made tests for it. Okay. Testing operates at different levels and test might apply to any detail. Okay. Why you need tests? I understand why I need tests. Tests will save you time. Okay, I don't really care. I understand all these things. Okay, brother, just tell me how you do tests. Fortunately, there's a little bug in the polls application for us to fix right away. The question was one second, let me reply to my mom. Okay. Oh, am I not in? Yeah. Okay. Import. test date time. Okay. I understand the problem now. Obviously. Create a test to expose the bug. I wonder if this is this like, I know in Go, anything that has like prefixed with like underscore test is like automatically like regex matched. I wonder if it's a similar thing for this. Okay. Oh, it's auto created, okay. Up. It's been a while since I've typed on this keyboard. I've been just like doing all of my stuff on my laptop recently, like not actually put down. I'm washed up. Oh my god, future question equals. Okay. Pretty straightforward. How do I run this? Ah, okay, just keyboard test. Cool. Create a test database. Interesting. I wonder why we were aliasing to create a database. Is that like to cache, maybe? Okay. Yeah. that make sense to me? Yeah, that makes sense to me. Cool. Oh, it destroys. Wait, then why is it... So it's not for caching. Is it creating one, like, for... like, actual values, as in, like, a user's taking in something? Oh, my fucking god, I'm an idiot. I forgot that, like, this is, like, this actually gets stored into a database. So it's creating a test environment database. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. I'm an idiot. I should have just understood that. Yeah. What am I talking about, bro? Okay. Oh, interesting. All right, let me write this first. That's cool. You can have a testing interaction as, like, I guess that makes a lot of sense because you want to test user interaction on the server level. Yeah, it makes sense. Making you do like 10 hours of work before you start your internship? No, this is like optional stuff to look at. But like I will be using this framework that I like haven't used in a long time, so I'm just going back through it. They say like everything you do need, like you will get trained on the job. So like wink wink optional. What exactly are you doing on the job? I don't know. There's like I haven't been like assigned a team. Some variant of full stack dev for sure. But like I think if you like beg hard enough, you could be like put on the only backend team, or like I know they're trying to build out some type of AI part of it because they want to like it's an education, like it's ed tech type of stuff. So obviously like an AI one-on-one teacher is like the natural progression. Like they're building that out. If I wanted to do like only that, be a prompt engineer for the summer. Yeah. No, I know. I was thinking about that earlier. I need to just like do projects that like aren't in the web dev space. Because like AnyFood kind of transitioned into a web dev project, even though like originally it was literally a terminal app that just told me where my favorite foods were after scraping. So I feel like I'm putting myself into like the web dev corner, and I need to like back out, kind of. But I cannot complain. I got a job, and I'm very happy for said job. A little bit, yeah. A little bit. So hourly, I think roughly 30. Which like pretty good. Not bad. Living with my parents. Because it's downtown Chicago, so I'm just going to be training in every day. Just like an hour commute, but I guess not that bad. I just take the train and then bus. Are you still with Tensorent? Like, are you doing because I know Colin's like really struggling to find to find housing that isn't like fucking 5,000 a month or some bullshit, because like fucking California. No, not this summer. Manage shell. The rest of this. Oh shit, for their Tokyo office? That's pretty sick though. When do you hear back? Or when is like the interview? Also, wait, why are you re-interviewing if you... Wouldn't you be like return offer type shit? Just had an interview today, next one is next week. I see. Well, good luck, obviously. I guess, is it common, like, if you get a return offer, you still interview? Or maybe you're changing, like, complete offices, so probably. Shit, what's up, Showman? How you doing, man? Is NYU done? Damn, that's good shit. We got tomorrow morning. That's hype as fuck. When do you start? Like, fuck, I know you're doing... It's Meta, then Google, right? Dropped a negative. That's fuego. So when do you start for Meta? Also, what the fuck are you doing at Meta? Next week? That's fast as fuck then. SQL compiler? Holy, what the fuck? What an interesting team assignment. SQL compiler. Like optimization stuff? Or what the fuck? Oh, okay. I gotcha. Some optimizations, maybe, I don't know. I was just thinking, like, what the fuck experience do you have that will help you do SQL optimization stuff? I don't know. Like, personally, my, like, usage of SQL is, like, just fucking use Postgres. Unless they put me on some web team. Dude. All roads lead back to the web at this point. Okay. Oh no. Oh, client. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Real? LLVM goat. What a dog doing? Wait, post the PR. Post the PR. Let me see the PR. Okay, cool. 6 minutes ago. Dude, 500,000 commits? Holy shit. Cloning the repo takes an hour. Oh, a different page. Oh, no, okay. PR then? I guess it wouldn't be named by this. Oh wait, that was... I had your GitHub at some point. Don't I follow you on GitHub? Will it show up here? Yes. Yes. Like, in these... Alright. I've never worked in, like, a large repo like this. How did you find that this was even a problem? Use the tool very niche. Oh shit, okay. Should I comment thanks? Were you just doing it for like your ah fuck, you were doing some like OS project, right? Dude, I'm gonna apply for an internship. I'm afraid. Dude, if they give you hard tests, that's like cool as fuck. That's like the hope is they give you hard projects and then you can learn. Yeah, but I quit. Then when the fuck were you? Oh, the Google Summer Code. What is that? I kept seeing that. Oh, is it literally just like you find some open source thing, contribute, and they give you money? Or do you have to like apply? Oh shit. Do you have to like apply for it? Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. How competitive is it? Like probably quite competitive, right? Oh shit, yeah, that is quite competitive. Yeah, like try to pipeline it. That makes sense. There's another project that literally just spent 100 hours on a project. Oh, what the fuck? That's quite cool. Dude, I need to do shit like this. Like, what am I doing, bro? You got fucking Meta, then Google, and you're still locked in. I'm not locked in. Thanks. I'll put like a gif of LeBron. Need a lock-in loop? Dude. Happens. Yes. Yes. Arrow to dot. Yes. Yes. No, of course. I agree. Logically, it follows, yes. Go back to fucking Django. Oh, my life's a joke.
Is it cool if I fold laundry?
Huh?
Is it cool if I fold laundry?
Dude, hella side characters. What is this double underscore from? What the fuck? I've never seen that. This is some fucked ass syntax. Yeah, go fuck yourself, Shaman. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. How much do you get from Google for the summer code thing? Like 6K? Holy shit. I mean, probably, I'd guess, not the biggest thing compared to like having a meta internship, but still. Going meta into Google internships, you probably are not worried for money. Actually, with how expensive NYU is, all that's probably going to immediately be gone. Is it crazy I don't want to type like any of this? Yeah, I'm not typing it. I don't care. I'm full ride, but if I wasn't, I'm pretty sure both. Holy fuck. You're built diffy, big dog. I got respect for you. But yeah, Northwestern covers like most of my shit as well. I would not be able to attend here if it didn't. That's for sure. Like the people that pay full, yeesh. Alright, so what did this do? Because I just didn't want to type it. Test no questions. Okay, yeah. This is pretty basic, okay. Django's it's a little finicky. Definitely would not be my first choice. It feels like Java but in Python. That's quite a good description, actually. Test no questions. Doesn't create any questions, but checks the message. Okay, yeah. I read through them. Yeah. I don't know. I need to find like an interesting project over summer. One of my friends is like really into compilers, and he wants to like do some compiler project over summer, and I might team up with him on that. I feel like I really just want to do a system project over summer, but I like don't know good system project ideas is the hard part. But I feel like once I find a cool idea, I'll like really be into it, because at least in my courses, like at Northwestern, like the systems language, I'm like so much more engaged and interested in. Like, I cannot get myself to care about like a theory class or like, actually I'm in a distributed systems class. It's like pretty cool. I feel like I fuck with that. But even that's nowhere near web dev. Or not nowhere near, but it's like, it's not the same thing. Like, I'd really dislike if if I box myself into having to do like front end, like React for my life. Even though like you probably can make it interesting, I just don't find it that interesting. Let's get query set. Is this meant to be under it? That just seems wrong. Indented on the outer level, so when we import it, it would run. Oh, is that just a return type? Okay. I'm on some crack shit right now. Okay, and then more tests. I should have just skipped this. These things are so fucking boring. It's just fucking telling me how to do test cases. It doesn't matter. Let them grow. Just keep testing. Alrighty. I did my time. What's up, Five? How you doing, man? Dude, this is just making me like appreciate Go. Like having like the niceties that is Go testing. Nice Django docs, dude. Back to the fucking basics. Yeah, serve the JavaScript. Do it. This is kind of like just fucking HTMX for Python. Alright, so it collects static files from each of your applications. Okay. Django static files finder settings contain a list of finders. One of the defaults is that okay, within the static directory you just create another pulls. Ah, the style.css. Oh brother. Alright. I really, dude, I dislike this a lot. That you have to like, I know why it's a thing. It's like because you need like the recursive pathing, but having pulls, static pulls, like having two directories named pulls in the same fucking linear, like this just looks bad. Oh yeah, I was literally saying the same thing. Because it's unable to distinguish, but like, God, is it ugly, dude. Ugh. Alright. So we're in polls. We then go to, you want static? Load static. Okay. Okay. So it's just linking. What is this? What is keywords? I guess this keyword static just makes sense. Okay. Next year, should I find a bunch of remote internships and just onboard? Yeah, and just get paid to onboard and do nothing else. Surely that's our dream. Dude, come on. Yeah, this isn't the most fun. I like running Vite or running Next. Much nicer than this. Time zone is not defined. Where in views? Will you run now? Okay, cool. Look at that, we got green. Alright. Let me check how long this thing is. Alright, I'll probably do this next time, so this will be the last one I do. This shit is kind of boring, I cannot lie. Create an images subdirectory and pull static polls. Oh, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Why are you even prepping for internship, Shaman? I don't fucking know, buddy. I don't know. This is my first, like, actual internship, so I thought, like, I probably should. Because I haven't Django'd in forever. And Django's not, like... It's not, like, what I've done. Like, I have, like, a project in it from, like, 2 years ago, but... I don't know. It's not, like... I've not practiced in it at all. Went into my first internship as my mentor at Merger PR. That's based as fuck. Oh, this is gonna need a background. Alright, what am I doing? I'm gonna fucking do this. I don't have an image. I don't care. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what the daily lead code is. I haven't done one in forever. Oh, and easy. Alright guys, let's do this and log off. We're given a string array of words and a binary array groups. I need to skip this fucking song. Okay. We're given a string array of words and a binary array groups, both of length n. What words at I is associated with groups at I. Your task is to select the longest alternating subsequence from words. The subsequence of words is alternating for any two consecutive. This is so many fucking words. What is happening here? Choose strings such that adjacent. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's like literally just find the longest subsequence of bits flipping. And then store that. Okay. I think. Let me read the example, because that's a lot of words. Why is it E and B and not A and B? Oh, they don't have to be like actually adjacent. Okay. Does it ever make sense to not pick the first one as like the starter? Like, is there ever a time where you wouldn't just pick the first groups and then go with that as the alternating? I don't think so. Actually? Whatever. I'm just gonna try the naive one and then we'll go from there. It's fucking 1 in the morning. What am I doing? No, how do I make this bigger? Nope, I don't like that. That's not what I wanted. That's way too fucking big. Alright, so what do we have to do, like, I don't know, curve bit? Or pre-bit? Bro, they're guaranteed to have one. I'm just gonna assume, because I'm not gonna think, that I can always take the first one, and that's just like a fine approach. Just append it, right? Alright, if the naive approach works, this is the naive approach. Let's see if you can literally just take the first one every time. Fantastic. Wow, look at me go. Green. Okay, I'm going to bed. This was stupid, and I don't think I learned too much today, but at least I did something. I hope you all have a wonderful night. As I said earlier, I don't think anyone was here, but I am recording a week in my life right now, because why not? I thought it would be fun. I'll probably have that up next week. I don't know how long editing will take me, because I'm definitely going to procrastinate the fuck out of that. And also don't expect it to be good, because I don't want to record in public. That's awkward. But anyways, alright, good night guys. I'll see you soon.